Hello, dear students. Welcome back in the third lecture on classification and tabulation. In the previous lecture, we have studied the various definitions on classification and tabulation. Also, we have solved one example on formation of discrete frequency table. Today, we are solving some more examples on formation of discrete frequency table. Today's first example is the number of doctors serving in 40 different hospitals were recorded as below, and here the data is given 6, 7, 5, 7, 6, 3, 9, 8, 6, 7 and so on up to 3, 4, 4, 3. Prepare a discrete frequency table. In the previous example, we have seen that to form a discrete frequency table, we need to prepare the three different columns in a table, that is variable, second column is tally marks, and third column is the frequency. Now, according to the given data, we will form the discrete frequency table. In the given data, the first observation is 6. So, here the number of doctors we will take as a variable, then tally mark, and number of hospitals. Now, the first observation is 6. So, here it is in front of 6, we will give one tally mark. Then next observation is 7. So, in front of 7, one tally mark. Next observation is 5. So, in front of 5, one tally mark. Next observation is 7. So, in front of 7, another tally mark. Next observation is 6. So, in front of 6, one tally mark. Then 3. So, in front of 3, one tally mark. Next is 9. In front of 9, one tally mark. Then 8. In front of 8, one tally mark. Like this, we are going to continue this procedure up to the all observations. Then, as I told in the previous question, whenever there are 5 observations, then we have to give 4 tallies, and then 5th tally is a cross tally. Okay, so it is easy for counting. Then we have to count the number of tallies in front of those observations, and we have to write as a frequency. Here you consider the observation 3, you will have 5 tallies, so the frequency is 5. Then 4, here 6 tallies are there, so the frequency is 6. Here 9, in front of 5, 9 tallies are there, so frequency is 9. 6, 7 observations are there, 7 tallies are there, so the frequency is 7. Then in front of 7, 5 tallies are there, so the frequency is 5. In front of 8, 5 observations or 5 tallies are there, so the frequency is 5. And in front of 9, there are 3 tallies, so the frequency is 3. Then after that, we have to add all these frequencies and we have to write the total. This total frequency is nothing but capital N, and for this example, here you will get capital N equal to 40, and it is given in the question that the data regarding 40 different hospitals, means our capital N should be N equal to 40. So this is the another example on the formation of discrete frequency table. Hope you understood this. Now let's move to the next question on formation of discrete frequency table. Here the question is, A review of the first 30 pages of a statistics book reveals the following printing mistakes. And here the data is given 0, 1, 3, 3, 2, 5, 6, 0, 1, 0 and so on up to 4, 3 and 2. Prepare a frequency distribution of printing mistakes. Now first we have to find the minimum observation. Here minimum observation is 0 and maximum observation is 6. Now we have to form a discrete frequency table by taking the values between 0 to 6. Now let's prepare the discrete frequency table. In the first column we will take the number of mistakes, that is x, then tally marks and number of pages, that is frequency. Now in the data first observation is 0, so in front of 0 we have to give 1 tally mark. Then second observation is 1, here 1 comes, then 3, next observation is 3, so in front of 3 another tally mark we have to give. Again next observation is 3, so one more tally in front of 3. Next observation is 2, so in front of 2 1 tally mark. Next observation is 5, so in front of 5 1 tally mark. Next observation is 6, so in front of 6 1 tally mark, and so on. This procedure we have to continue until the all observations are completed. And then we have to count the number of tallies in front of those values and we have to write as a frequency. Here if you count the number of tallies in front of 0, you will get 5 number of tallies, so frequency is 5. Then number of tallies in front of 1, you will get 5. In front of 2 there are 6 tallies, so frequency is 6. In front of 3 there are 6 tallies, so frequency is 6. Similarly, in front of 4 there are 4 tallies, so frequency is 4. 5 there are 2 observations, so frequency is 2, and there are 6 2 observations, so the frequency is 2. Now we have to add all these frequencies, and if you add this you will get capital N is equal to 30, because in the question only it is given a review of the first 30 pages, so total number of pages are 30. So this is another example on formation of discrete frequency table. Now let's move to the one more question, that is prepare a frequency table for the following data, and here the data is given 7, 4, 2, 5, 9, 7, 4 and so on. Now here we have to prepare the discrete frequency table for the given data, and the data is 7, 4, 2, 5. So we will prepare the discrete frequency table. If you observe here, the minimum observation is 2 here, minimum observation is 2 and the maximum observation is 10. So we have to take the values between 2 to 10. You can observe we have taken here variable x, then tally mark and then frequency f. Here the values are taken between 2 to 10, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. Now the first observation is 7, so in front of 7 we have to give 1 tally mark. Similarly next observation is 4, in front of 4 1 tally mark. Next observation is 2, so in front of 2 1 tally mark, and so on. This procedure we have to continue until the all observations are exhausted. Then after that we have to count the number of tally marks in front of those variable, those values, and write as a frequency of corresponding observation. Here in front of 2 only 1 tally, so frequency is 1. For 3 5 tallies are there, so frequency is 5. In front of 4 3 tally marks, so frequency is 3. In front of 5 3 observations or 3 tallies, so frequency is 3. There are 6 values, so the frequency is 3. For 7, 5 tallies are there, the frequency is 5. In front of 8, 4 tally marks are there, so frequency is 4. In front of 9, again 4 tally marks are there, so frequency is 4. And for 10, 2 tallies are there, so frequency is 2. Now if we add all these observations, you will get capital N is equal to 30. Capital N is nothing but summation F, or total frequency or total observations. Remember students, in the exam you can expect one example for 5 marks on this formation of discrete frequency table. Next class we will study some more definitions and the formation of continuous frequency table. Thank you.